On July 22nd, 2005, our day was shorter by 1.34 milliseconds. On that day, Earth did something strange. It spun a little too fast than its normal speed. Now you might think, big deal, right? Who cares about a blink of time? But the truth is, tiny shifts like this can ripple into some pretty big consequences. Hey everyone, welcome back to Universe for Curious. Today we're talking about that one day when our planet literally spun faster than usual, and why scientists were both surprised and a little bit concerned. It's a story about Earth's heartbeat and what happens when it skips. So here's the fact. On July 22nd, 2025, Earth completed a rotation faster than normal. Instead of the usual 24 hours, it was shorter by just over 1,000th of a second. To be precise, 1.34 milliseconds. Now, sure, that sounds ridiculously small. It's not like you missed your morning coffee because of it. But here's the twist. Our entire modern world depends on precise timekeeping. GPS satellites, financial transactions, internet servers, they all run on clocks synced to Earth's rotation. When the planet speeds up or slows down, even slightly, it can throw things off. And this isn't a one-off fluke. Earth's rotation is constantly changing, pulled by the moon, shifted by earthquakes, even nudged by melting ice caps. Sometimes it slows down, sometimes it speeds up. But this event, it was the second shortest day ever recorded. That's not nothing. Think of it like your heartbeat. If it skips once, you don't panic. But if it keeps doing weird little skips, you start to wonder what's going on. Earth's spin is kind of like that. A rhythm we've depended on forever. So when it changes, scientists pay close attention. Here's something you probably didn't expect. If Earth keeps spinning faster, we may actually have to introduce a negative leap second. That means instead of adding a second like we've done before, we delete one. Imagine the clock jumping from 11:59:59 straight to midnight. That's never happened in human history, but we're getting close to needing it. And deleting a second might sound harmless, but it's a nightmare for technology. Some computer systems literally crash when they can't account for that missing tick of time. So a faster Earth isn't just a fun trivia fact, it's a real-world challenge for the digital world we've built. If you love diving into stories where science, technology, and everyday life collide, hit that like button, subscribe to Universe for Curious, and share this with someone who's always late. Maybe they'll finally have an excuse. So here's the takeaway. Earth doesn't just orbit the sun, it dances. Sometimes slower, sometimes faster. And every tiny change tells us something about the forces shaping our planet. The question is, what happens the next time Earth decides to spin just a little too fast?